Hello again. After installing the Windows 10, now we have the Kali Linux machine and Windows 10. Before start attacking the Windows 10 machine, I would like to show you how to configure the network settings in VirtualBox. Just go to File, Preferences, and make sure you have a NAT network created here by clicking this one. I already created. I'll show you how. Just click like that. Okay. Then go to each machine, select it, Settings, Network, and choose NAT network, and choose the NAT network you already chosen, and make sure this is Allow. Okay. Then we'll go to Windows 10 and do the same. Why we are doing this? Just to make sure both virtual machines are working on the same IP subnet. Then they can ping and reach each other. So now if I go to Windows 10 and Kali, let me check the IPs here. So it's 10.0.26, and here 10.0.2.15. Okay, so let's check the ARP table here. This is the one, and this is my MAC address here under Ether, ends with DD5E. So now if I start with BetterCap, just write BetterCap to start this tool. Okay, so help to see all the running modules, and we will start with netprobe just to discover all the connected devices. Net.probe on. If we press help again, as we said before, both will work together after making the net.probe module on. In order to see all the discovered clients, we need to write net.show, enter. So it will show us an organized table showing us the IP, the MAC address, the name of the device or the interface, and the vendor, and the last scene. So this is our Windows 10 machine. Okay, so today I'm gonna explain to you how to start capturing the HTTP traffic. So if the target user was opening any website with HTTP, you can see all the traffic. You can capture the username, password, and all the traffic. So let's start. As I said before, to get the help for any of those modules, you need to write help and the name. So help and arp.spoof, which is here. Enter. In the previous lecture, I have shown you how to enable this module, just to start the ARP spoofer. If you want to stop it, you need to write off. And if you want to enable any of the parameters, you need to write set before the parameter, and after that true, because the default value of this parameters is false. So to start sniffing the traffic, first of all we need to spoof the MAC address, and as I have said before, ARP spoof attack is just to make you the man in the middle between the router and the end user. So your Kali machine will tell the router, I am the end user, by spoofing the end user MAC address, and it will tell the end user, I am the router, by spoofing the router MAC address. So once we enable this, I'm going to show you the difference as I have shown you before, just to remember the concept. So let's start. Let's enable the parameter first. arp.spoof full duplex, true, and we need to put set here before, enter. Then we are going to attack our Windows 10 machine. So set ARP spoof target, and this is the IP of our target. So just we can copy paste, Control Shift C, Control Shift V, enter. Then we can enable this, enter. So now our spoofer started. This new MAC address came to this ARP table. Every machine has ARP table, and while running the ARP spoof attack, the MAC address in this table will be changed. It's my Kali machine MAC address. So after enabling the ARP spoof module, just we will write help to make sure it's running. Then we will start net.sniff module to start sniffing the traffic. So net.sniff on, enter. So now it start sniffing everything running from this machine. So let's say I'll go to Google, I'll open any HTTP website. Let's say I'll go to Weevil. So let's say I want to log in here. I will write any username and password. Password, let's say Hamza Sheikh 123. Login. For sure it will show its wrong username and password. So if I go back to Kali and I check whether it has captured the username and password, I can see here, yes, this user was trying to go to Weevil website, and this is the website here, and this is the username, and this is the password. So we have successfully captured the HTTP traffic, and anything running in the background from this machine also it will be captured. In the next lecture I'm gonna show you how to capture the HTTPS traffic.